Hello viewers, here is a Chillout fan. This is manufactured by Chaos Incorporated, and this is a model GF-55. I got this for really cheap. I don't know if it works or not. Let's go ahead and test it out. I don't see a date code on here, but I believe this is a relatively recent make. These, as far as I know it, are still in manufacture. Okay, let's start off with low. I think the bearings are probably stiff. It's not moving much of any air. I already have one of these I bought new a couple of years ago, so I know how these are supposed to perform. This is far beneath what it's supposed to do. Yeah, something's not quite right here. Oh yeah, those bearings are pretty stiff. That's kind of disappointing because it doesn't look like it has all that many hours on it. I mean, it's definitely dirty. It got its views, but I can't imagine more than a couple of seasons. So, I don't know what we're going to do with this one. I got it for really cheap, so I'm thinking I may use it for parts because I have an older Duracraft one of these. It's in a rare green color, and it needs new bearings. And I'd much rather have an unusable one of these, which I could go around and buy a new one at any time if I wanted to, versus have an unusable older rare model. So that's probably what we're gonna do with this one, and because it's really not in that great a condition anyways. The front's all jacked up and sides all scratched up and whatever. Nothing that would impede its usefulness to me, but like I said, I would just rather restore something that's older, not quite vintage, but something that's older and more collectible than this. So probably going to use it for parts and make the other one complete.